I have to.
Oh, yeah, 9. Ilan na revoke?
I have to refer,
Ano
Madam
bang
Chair, to
nakakaalam sa
the.
inyo nitong mga information?
Ano, I'm handling a different matter, Madam
Yeah,
Chair.
but you're
Mr.
answering
Senator.
kasi, kaya sino pwedeng sumagot?
The Senator, actually, the director of the one handling it is not here now. But
Yes,
Who's
Picab
the
is here. Who's on
Check.
top of this?
hindi,
It's
we
your
have someone
department, Secretary
no, when they
Roque.
moved it to us, we have someone on top who really checks on it. But what I know is na-revoke na yung
But
license.
who's in
nila.
charge, Secretary?
But he needs
Si
to be on top.
Director Marco Maam.
Why is he not here?
Madam Chair, the Secretary of Trade and Industry sits as the chair of the SIAP. And the Secretary has designated our Legal Service Director, Attorney Marco Maat, to be her alternate in the SIAP. For today's hearing, Madam Chair, Mr. Chair, Director Maat is undergoing his gabay training under the CES program.
Which is infinitely more important than your budget. Is that correct?
Unfortunately,
You want your budget?
of course, Madam Chair, of course. But I have the answer, Madam Chair, to the different corporations owned by the Discayas whose licenses have been revoked. Saint Gerard po, Alpha Omega, Saint
We
Timothy.
know there are 9 of them.
Yes.
So have they been revoked,
They've been
suspended,
revoked.
penalized? Does anything happen?
Their licenses have been revoked, Madam Chair.
No penalties imposed. Stop business lang. Anyway, you can report exactly what action's been taken because clearly there's not been very much.
Madam Chair,
Yes, Chair.
ang dahilan dyan sa pag-revoke because they were colluding, tama? Is that the reason? They were colluding with one another? Alam mo, kung walang makakasagot, Madam Chair, let's defer the budget of...
I think we should defer DTI.
kasi-
This is ridiculous. I'm not getting any answers.
Kung walang nakakasagot, wala yung the officer in charge.
Apologies, Madam Chair and Mr. Chair. Actually, we have our OIC director for PICAB, Engineer Sergi, present. We profusely apologize for the lack of answers coming from the PICAB and SIAP.
No, it's
As
not
mentioned-
PICAB, it's DTI in general. I'm having infinite difficulty.
Engineer Sergi is our OIC for PICAB.
Okay, whatever.
Yes, Engineer Sergi.
Yes, you're recognized.
Diba, they revoke because they were colluding with one another, diba?
Yes, sir.
Yun ang nakita namin sa Blue Ribbon eh.
Yes, sir.
So, in other words, ang defense naman ni Vizcaya, nagpalit raw sila ng ownership. Diba? Pero nakita rin namin na mga anak niya pa rin yung pinalitan niya, mga pamangkin, mga pinsan. So, in other words, wala nga si Vizcaya doon, pero nandun yung mga relatives niya. The
Yes,
point
sir.
I'm trying to make is, do you expand your due diligence of contractors to even mga kamag-anak, mga kapatid, mga anak, or tinitignan niyo lang on face value yung mga shareholders? Kasi alam na natin yung modus nila, ta-transfer lang nila sa anak nila, tapos maglalaban-laban sila. No? So did you change your policy? Because ganyan yung modus nila eh. If you don't change your policy, after pag tumahimik na ito sa media, balik ulit sa dati.
That would be one of the improvements that we will be suggesting to the new board on the composition of the stockholders of the different companies.
Yeah, but you should do it fast because every day there's bidding going on. We don't even know kung nangyayari ulit yan ngayon eh.
Yes.
Napakadaling magkulod eh because bibigay ko lang sa anak ko. Ibang kumpanya na siya, laban tayong dalawa. So ama at saka mag-anak, naglalaban, ibang kumpanya.
That is possible, Your Honor.
No, that happened.
What's
Yes, sir.
happening?
That happened. That's why you revoked the license. Diba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
We revoke.
my question is, may policy na ba para labanan ng ganyan?
That would be the suggestion or proposal to the new board, of the new.
Yeah, but we need to
board.
act fast.
Yes, sir.
Revoke nyo, wala naman change in policy, walang reforms.
Mr. Chair, ito yung problema. Upon review of the pickup online license, yung Wawaw Builders, in spite its perpetual lifetime ban sa DPWH, buhay na buhay pa rin ang kanilang pickup license. Hindi naman ininto. Andun pa rin sa online, tinignan lang namin. The same website also lists the license of Sims Construction with a perpetual lifetime ban, di ba, sa Public Works, yun ang sabi sa atin. It just expired in October. Wala naman revoke. No action taken by DTI or SIAP.
Once the new board will be reconstituted, we'll be recommending for the revocation of the license of Sims and Wawaw due to license lending.
So you're saying Sims, whose license has expired, hindi na nila pwedeng i-renew? Kasi hindi naman revoke o sinuspend ninyo.
The license will be revoked once the new board will be reinstituted.
Yeah, but in the meantime, until there's no such new board, they can actually renew it.
With the present
Bakit yung Wawaw valid pa rin? Yung Wawaw license, valid pa rin siya eh. Nandun pa, nakalista sa inyong
it's
website.
still in the website, but we will be revoking the license once the new
But you
board
haven't done so yet.
because there's no pickup board yet, sir, ma'am.
Board members for people. Kasi sila lang ang makaka-revoke. Sila rin ang makakabigay
Pickup
ng
board?
three.
Tatlo lang ba yan?
3 members. So we're just
Tapos
waiting
yung
for their
tatlo, all
appointment.
three resigned.
All 3 resigned ko.
And then SIAP cannot jump in and take action?
It has to come from the PICA board.
Ganun
even
ba?
pag-revoke and
Ganun ba
pag
yun?
ano.
So what's the purpose of SIAP when you cannot take any action whatsoever? Ano pa silbi niyan? Wala kayong magawa sa PICA.
Madam Chair, in the recent meeting,
Tayo may layer ng SIAP. Kung yung SIAP, hindi naman na-involve sa PICA. Rubber stamp lang ba yan ng DTI? Hindi naman yata magandang pakinggan yan.
we're just following the law, Madam Chair. The law, applicable law, placed the PICAB under the SIAP, supervision of the SIAP.
Yes,
So,
but certainly erring members will come under your supervision. So you have a right to supervise.
yes,
It doesn't mean you abandon. Supervision isn't abandonment, surely.
yes, Madam Chair. In the recent meeting of the SIAP board, there was a move for the SIAP to temporarily take over the functions of the board members para hindi po mapilay. However,
Hindi mo nga napilay na nga, yung tatlo, wala na. So hindi ba dapat mag-bolt in yung SIAP?
yes, Madam Chair, that was just last Friday, but there was an objection from one of the members of the SIAP board, and we are addressing this concern, Madam Chair. What was raised, Madam Chair, was ultra vires daw. Wala daw authority yung wala daw authority yung SIAP.
Pumayag kayo? Hindi ba gross negligence yan?
We are addressing the
Ultra vires, that's square within your charter.
yes, Madam Chair. We're addressing it, Madam Chair.
No, apparently you're not. It's no action taken. Mr. Chair, yes? So what mechanisms are in place now under SIAP or PICAP to screen or disqualify erring or incompetent contractors? Kasi sabi nga ni Chair, pumapasok pa rin ang kontrata. Baka andyan pa rin sila. Antay kayo ng antay ng 3 PICAP. Antay tayo ng antay ng panibagong mga IRR or whatever rules. In the meantime, we're all waiting and this is carrying on. Paano ba to, Asik Valdez?
The reality is, Madam Chair, is naka-hold po lahat because wala po yung board. So, when last Friday po nag-meeting po
yung board ang problema. Ngayon, uupuan ngayon ng SIAP. Kasalanan na ng SIAP yan, hindi na ng PICAP.
No, Madam Chair.
But you have supervision responsibility. Supervision encompasses control, encompasses management, encompasses revocation, suspension, qualification, di ba? So are you saying there are absolutely no mechanisms in PICAP or in SIAP to screen or disqualify erring contractors? Wala kayong magawa, surrender.
Meron po, Madam Chair, but again, Madam Chair, yung reality po is naka-hold po because wala po yung board. But then, mag-swoop in na po yung CIAP, Madam Chair. It's just that nagkaroon lang po ng konting hitch. This was just last Friday, and we are addressing it, Madam Chair. And we will report to your office, Madam Chair, on the status.
No, I think more important than reporting, you have to do something. Ako, Chairman, paano ba yan?
Madam
Isa
Chairman,
pa, yes, Chair.
Just to make a suggestion ko, Secretary, alam naman natin napakadaling gumawa ng korporasyon dito. Ibaband mo si St. Timothy, yung mga corporate, yung mga board niya, I'm sure they'll find, mag-incorporate na naman yan, baka some saints, no? Baka ibang santo, basta St. John, no? Pero the same shareholders. Ang suggestion ko, i-band nyo na rin pati yung mga shareholders. Pag may mga shareholders who will put up a construction company at na-detect ng PCAB, the same shareholders na binand ninyo, dapat hindi na sila pwedeng sumali sa government projects. Kasi napakadaling nakikita ko ito after may lull period sa media, magpo-form na naman sila ng construction company, sasali na naman sila ng government projects. So part of your review, pag nakita nyo sila, whoever connected dun sa St. Gerard, dapat hindi na pwedeng sumali. Iakyat nyo pa to the directors of the company, even officers of the company, no, as indicated in their general information sheet, para talagang bawal na sila sumali sa government projects. Kasi napakadaling mag-set up ng companies dito sa atin. Alam mo naman yan, Secretary. Diba? So may work around eh.
Yes, Senator, we'll do that.
Thank you.
Okay, but I find it difficult to believe that your responsibility of supervising does not include, in addition to guiding and instructing, also correcting the members of PCAB. Yung sinasabi ninyo that everything is on hold is very difficult for me to believe. Also, COA has a very dismal outlook on PCAB and CIAP because your contractors' license fees are not being collected. Nako, pera na, naging bato pa. 258 million is uncollected as of year-end. COA is complaining. Bakit hindi kinokollect ng CIAP at PCAB? Maliban pa sa katutak na kalokohan sa pangongontrata, hindi pa nagbabayad?
Madam Chair.
Yes, Ms. Gacho. Ang laki ng pera at 258 million. Senator Joel Villanueva is present.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Yeah, actually, Madam Chair, we already starting collecting the uncollected or
Pero ang tagal na
bakis.
po nito, 2022, nakaligtas sila, walang bayaran. Bilyon-bilyon na kinikita nila, hindi pa nagbabayad para lang sa contractor's license fee. 2022, hindi pa daw nagbabayad ang karamihan.
During that time, there's a board solution that suspending muna yung collection from 100 to 5,000 kasi medyo nag-umpisa pa lang ng yung makahawon yung contractors from the pandemic. So last September 16, we have already started collecting the uncollected or yung balance na 4,100.
Galing naman ang PCAB. Pati yung lisensya, hindi kailangan bayaran, ha?
We are now collecting, Madam Chair. We
From
started
2022,
collecting.
may interest ba yan?
Uh,
Ang penalty yan.
as
Binabaan na nga ninyo, hindi pa kinokolekta.
as per COA's notice of charge, we are only collecting what yung
Why did you do
practice.
this? Why did you allow the non-collection? Clear conflict of interest.
It's a board's decision during that time. Starting pa lang uli makabangon yung construction contracting.
So pinagkasundoan ng mga kontratista na wag na magbayad ng contractor's license fees. Ang saya-saya.
Actually, it's not hindi magbayad but suspending lang muna yung collection.
Ganun na rin po yun. Ano ka ba? 2022, palapit na yung 2026. Ang saya-saya. Okay. Pagod na ako sa pick-up. Teka, yung CIAP, if you will, Asek Valdez send us the laws governing CIAP and PICAB, I find it difficult to believe that there are absolutely no mechanisms for erring members to be supervised, as it were, or punished. That's very difficult to understand.
Madam Chair, my staff just showed me. Sa GPPB pala, pag nag-blacklist sila, yung hindi lang directors ang blacklisted, pati relatives ng directors blacklisted rin.